Hey everyone, thanks for joining me tonight. So no more lives for now because I'm back to work. So back to nighttime painting. Mr. Tired guy over here, Juno, hi. So thought I'd get back into it for a bit. I haven't done a pour since Friday and today is Tuesday. So I've actually been sick. So I completely lost my voice and I've been under the weather. So I think taking a week off with him while he's been sick and trying to take care of him took a toll on me. So anywho, we are back. Hi, thanks buddy. Oh, kisses. Alrighty. So a lot of people have been asking me how Juno's doing. He's doing a little better, but he's still not out of the woods yet. Oh, tired boy. So he's getting a little bit better, but he's not 100%. So hopefully soon. So you want to go back to sleep? All right. So we'll put you back. So I just wanted you guys to say hi. A lot of people love seeing Juno on my videos. Isn't that right? Oh, thanks, buddy. Give kisses to Mama. All right, guys. So say goodnight, Juno. Say goodnight, Juno. It's a big face. Okay, you go in your bed. There you go. Good boy. All right, guys. So I'll bring it down and I'll show you guys what I'm up to tonight. All right, so today I'm gonna try a new experiment. So I'm gonna continue with the Dutch pour. I'm gonna continue with blowing it and not using the hairdryer. But what I wanted to try is, I've been seeing a lot of people doing what they call a pour, but it's like a cloudy effect. And they use this, which is Deco Art Satin Enamel white. So apparently you put this in your paints and it gives you like a cloudy effect. The person I've seen the most do it is Gina DeLuca. So she's got some really great pours doing the cloudy effect. I know Julie Cuts has started doing a few and she seems to be getting the hang of it, and she's got some pretty good ones too. There's a lot of people trying it. So what I thought I would do today is a Dutch pour and try the satin enamel in my paints and see what kind of cloudy effect I can get with that. So don't mind my voice, it's not 100% guys, so it might be squeaky or faint at times. Excuse me. So I wanted to see what it would look like. So what we're gonna do is my colors, believe it or not. So what I did was, these were my colors that I started with. So this is, I think, cadmium, deep yellow hue, pink, obviously, violet, turquoise, and phthalo blue. But what happens when I put some of the white satin enamel in there, it actually lightened up my colors. So you can see it obviously has changed color because I put the white in there, so you can even see it almost turned them into like a pastel kind of color, which is kind of cool. And honestly guys, you're not supposed to put too much. So literally what I did, because I just have these teeny tiny shot glass cups, I literally just dipped my popsicle stick in there and let it drip like 2 drops in each cup. That's what I did. Whether that's right, wrong, too much, not enough, I have no idea, guys. Like I said, this is just an experiment. I'm just testing this out. So there you go. You can see the color difference by adding the satin enamel, but that's fine. We'll see what happens. Oh boy. All right, so I'm gonna start by flooding well, this isn't a canvas, it's 8 by 8 inch cradled wood board. I buy it from Michael's. It's in a pack of 6. It's 8 by 8 inches, and it already comes with a coat of, it's pre-gessoed. So it's got gesso on it, so I don't have to prime it or prep it or anything like that. I just put my tape all the way around, because when this is dry, it's gonna get a top coat of resin on it. So that's that. Let's just flood this. All right, there we go. And my lovely spatula that I love so much. This is my omelet turning spatula. This is for omelets, believe it or not. The brand is OXO, and I love it because it makes spreading my paint super easy. Something in there. All right, did I get paint on my ear? I probably just did. Anywho, it's been rough for me, guys, lately. All right, let's torch the bubbles. Get all the bubbles out. There we go. What's in here? There we go. Okay, so I have no idea if this is gonna work. It's a test, complete experiment, so whatever happens, happens. Now I do know it takes a little while for the cloudy effect to do its thing, so I might just have to, you know, come back to it half hour later and see what the difference is. So let's start with purple. And we'll go right in the middle, like so. And then we'll do the turquoise, which looks like a light blue now. So we'll do that next. All right. I put them in these little shot glasses because I don't really need to use too much paint, so I didn't want to mix too much for nothing. So next, I think we'll do the pink. So you can already see the outside ring here is already turning cloudy, so that's kind of cool actually. So I'm liking that. There's the pink. And we will add, I want the blue on top, so I'll add the pink, I mean the yellow, sorry. So yellow. And finally, what is supposed to be phthalo blue now looks like a primer. Sorry guys, my hubby called me on my cell phone. I totally forgot to text him and say, I'm recording a video, don't call me. So he called and it automatically stopped the video from recording. So we're back at it. I poured the phthalo blue. So you can still see there's quite the little cloud effect going on there. So I am going to pour my white around. So I'll put the cap on because I'm just used to using the cap when I pour my white. So let me just put that back on. All right, so I will do my layer of white around. There we go. I will pop all the bubbles. All right, so let's see what happens. All right, so I've blown it all over. So now let's blow it out and see what happens. Well, that's a big bubble. Pop. Lots of blue in here, which is surprising. Well, there's two blues, but my pink is gone, my purple's kind of gone. All right. So I'm gonna leave it at that. There's lots of white in here. Let's torch it and see what happens. Oh, there we go. There's all my yellow. So that's interesting. So I didn't want that to fall off the edge, but it's falling now. So maybe I can stop it by, I wanted it to stay all, it's not gonna work. Oh, look at all the blue under there. Let's see if hopefully that can keep it from falling over the edge, but I doubt it because the paint will just pull it out. So that's interesting. It looks like all the white just came out. Very interesting. Now this is already falling on this end too, so I'm starting to think I'll just blow it all over and make it all go off the edges. At this point, there's no point in having one side off the edge and then the other ones aren't. So like I said, guys, this is just an experiment with the satin enamel. So let's see what else happens. Looks like blowing it brings out some more of the color. All right. Bit around. There's just so much color hiding under the white. I'm just trying to get to it. All right, let's keep going. All right, more colors coming through, so I'm gonna keep going. As there looks like there's a lot of color under there. But then it keeps disappearing, which is so funny. I don't know what this satin enamel is doing, but it seems like every time I get some good colors, the white takes over again. So that's interesting. All right, I think I'm gonna stop because I'm about to pass out. All right, let's see here. Well, there you have it. Experiment with satin enamel. Definitely not the beautiful Dutch pour that I am used to. So I'm gonna leave it for about half an hour and see what it looks like. I'll take a picture and just probably add it to the end of this video and see what it looks like. And if I don't like it in about, you know, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, I will probably just scrape it, because there's no sense in wasting cradled wood board. So I'll bring you in so you can see. It looks like all the colors are disappearing. It's so weird. It's like a muddy mess in the middle. But I thought I'd try it. Definitely not what I was expecting, but I mean, it doesn't look horrible, but it's not the Dutch pour I'm used to. So we'll see what happens in half an hour, or, you know, 15, 20 minutes, and then I'll come back to it and take a look and see what happens. All right, so that's it, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell and give it a thumbs up if you like it. And that's it. So colors will be hopefully in the description below. And for anyone who's interested, I do have a new PayPal link set up as well for anyone who would like to support me and help me in my art adventures. So yeah, if you want to feel the need to support, please click on the PayPal link. So special shout out to Jennifer and Kimberly, who from my last video, my last live video, both of them were kind enough to donate to my PayPal link. So thank you so much, ladies. Kimberly and Jennifer, you guys are awesome, and I was completely surprised and humbled, and I can't thank you guys enough. It's very sweet of you guys. So thank you so much. And thank you to everyone else for your kind comments and all your support. So that's it for now. I'll be back with another video. Until then, take care, guys. Bye.